This winter, Ford engineers spent 2 weeks in the heart of Alaska in -30-degree temperatures to continue fine-tuning the F-150 Lightning pickup's performance on low-traction surfaces like snow and ice, and in extreme cold. Ford engineers drove a fleet of 6 F-150 Lightning pre-production units on various types of wintry surfaces such as loose snow, packed groomed snow, complete ice, half concrete surfaces and more in the freezing temperatures. The F-150 Lightning pickup can sense wheel slip and adjust power to the wheels within milliseconds, benefiting from the quick responses of the all-electric powertrain.